What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use WPvivid backup plugin hidden feature that clean up your media. So it's gonna delete the unused files that you have uploaded on your WordPress media library. Scan and clean. How to do this? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on to add new plugin submenu. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to see a field called search plugins. Click and type WPvivid, just like this. Migration, backup, staging, WPvivid backup and migration. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugin welcome page, okay, the setup and the settings page. As soon as you activate the plugin, no need to go premium, you can do this into the free version. Review the left sidebar of menus once again, and next to settings you're gonna be able to find a new menu called WPvivid Backup. And into the submenu you're gonna be able to find the feature called Image Cleaner. Click on it. Then you're gonna need to click on scan, and you cannot leave this page, okay? So wait while the scan happens. I will cut the video to not make the video very hard to watch, but I'm gonna tell you how much time does it take, okay? But remember, this time gonna change according to the amount of images you have on your media library, okay? So now the scan is now complete. It takes something like 6 minutes to be completed, okay? And right here we can see the image, okay? And we can take bulk actions to this image, okay? For example, we can isolate selected image or isolate all the images, okay? And from here you can learn more. Last scan, unused media files found. Total size, so you can see there is a big amount of files that I have not used into the site, okay? And what I can do with these files, I can of course delete or isolate to not occupy too much space into the backup, okay? So for example, in the case that I want to isolate selected files, I'm gonna click apply, isolating. Now I'm gonna move to the isolated media. Right here you can see the isolated media, and if I click I can restore or simply delete, okay? Up to you, up to your needs, okay? Review if the image is really not used, okay? Before doing your actions, and of course do a backup. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!